Very good evening, my dear friend. Today, I'll give you a new lesson, chapter number 2, teeth and microbes. All of you are well acquainted with teeth and well informed and familiar also, because all of you have teeth in your mouth. Now, do you count ever how many teeth are there in your mouth? What is the color of your teeth? What are the different types of teeth are there in your mouth? So, if you touch your teeth, you will feel that the shape and the sizes of the teeth are different from each other. Now we are going to read about details about teeth. Teeth are very important part of our body. They help us to bite and chew the food. With the help of the teeth that we have, we chewed the food and we grind the food. They not only help us to speak clearly, but they also give shape to our face. Do you have ever seen an old man or woman without teeth? Their face and their cheek goes inside because they do not have teeth. So the teeth gives the shape of the face. They are firmly anchored in bony sockets in the upper and lower jaw. I cannot show you, there is no equipment right now with me. This part is called lower jaw and this part is called upper jaw. And here there is a socket. We can, with the help of the socket, we can move up and down the upper and lower jaw. Set of teeth. When a baby is born, he or she has no teeth. Teeth only begin to grow after the baby is few months old. When a baby is born, it cannot chew solid foods. It can feed only milk and other liquids. When it grows a little older, a baby needs teeth to eat solid foods. At the age of about 3, a child has a set of about 20 teeth. These teeth are called temporary teeth or milk teeth. So, you remember what is milk teeth? M-I-L-K, milk teeth. Milk teeth are the temporary teeth. A new baby when grew few months older, from that time, one after another, the teeth starts to come out, and when he or she attains 3 years old, all about approximately 20 teeth may he or she have. So these are all called temporary teeth. At the age of 6, the milk teeth fall out and new set of teeth appear. Now I think you are in class 4, so you are well experienced with it, that some of your teeth fell out and new teeth comes out. There are 32 teeth in this second set, which are called permanent teeth. Permanent teeth. When a child attains the age of 6 years, the temporary milk teeth fall out and new set of teeth appears. And the total number of teeth on the second permanent teeth are 32. 32 number of teeth appears. If they are looked after properly, they will last a lifetime. Look after means we should take care of the teeth. We should brush properly, we should clean properly the teeth before and after taking any food. Kinds of teeth. There are 4 kinds of teeth in a human being. 4 types of teeth are there in human being. Number 1, incisors, incisors, incisors. Number 2, canines. Number 3, premolar, molars, premolars, and number 4, molars, molars. They are of different size and shape, and they have different functions. Incisors. The 4 front teeth called incisors are used for biting the food and cutting the food. Canines. These are also called tearing teeth. These are sharp teeth for tearing the food. There is 1 canine each on either side of the incisor in each jaw. Premolars. These teeth are broad-shaped. They are 4 in each jaw. They are used for cracking and crushing the food in pieces. Molars. Molars are 6 in each jaw. They are also broad and flat. They grind and chew the food. The last molars are also known as wisdom teeth. Thus, an adult person has a total of 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars in his upper and lower jaws. Okay, now I am moving to the next paragraph. Structure of tooth. If we observe our teeth carefully, we will find that all the teeth have grown out of the gums. A tooth has many parts inside the gums through which it is attached. We can divide the structure of a tooth into 2 parts. Exterior structure. Our tooth has 3 main external parts: crown, neck, and root. Crown, neck, and root. Crown is the visible part of the tooth above the gums. Neck is the part between the crown and the root. Root is the part of the tooth under the gums and inside the bone that keeps the tooth fixed in its place. In your book, the structure of tooth is given here. You can notice that this part is known as, this part is crown, it is enamel, this part is neck region, and this is root region. It goes inside the gum. Interior structure. Our teeth has 3 main layers: enamel, dentine, and pulp. In the interior part of the teeth, we have 3 layers: E-N-A-M-E-L, enamel. Number 2, dentine, D-E-N-T-I-N-E, dentine. And number 3, P-U-L-P, pulp. This is the exterior structure, exterior parts. This is the exterior part, and here enamel is interior part. Then dentine, this is pulp, this part is called pulp, this is known as dentine. Okay, so enamel is the white and hardest part of the tooth. It protects the tooth from wear and tear of chewing and covers the crown. This is the white and hardest region, this region that I colored red, it should be white. Below the enamel, dentine lies. This is enamel. This white region is enamel. Then this is dentine part. It is yellow and bone-like, but not so hard. It supports the enamel and absorbs the pressure of eating. Inside the dentine pulp lies. This one. It is the soft part of the tooth that contains nerve and blood vessels. These red structure are nerves. Pulp contains the nerves vessels. It nourishes the tooth. The nerves are connected to the gum through a hole in the root. Care of our teeth. So, how can we take care of the teeth? How can we look after the teeth? We must take good care of our teeth. Taking too many sweets can be harmful to our teeth. Sugar promotes the growth of germs in the mouth, which may result in tooth decay. So, the children, those who take frequently chocolates and sweets, and if they do not clean their teeth with water and with toothpaste, then germs may attack their teeth, and you may notice also some of your friends may be suffering from that. So, sweet should be avoided, and if sweet has been taken, then after taking the food, you should wash your mouth properly, wash your teeth properly. We should eat more fruits and vegetables. They make our teeth stronger. The following are some tips to keep our teeth healthy and strong. Notice here the brush, how to brush the teeth. It is shown in the figure. So you can brush your teeth regularly in the morning and evening 2 times per day. Some bacteria in the soil help in the decay of dead plants and animals. Some bacteria digest roughage in animals. Make sure you brush your teeth in the proper way as shown in the figures. Rinse your mouth after every meal. We should brush our teeth twice a day. While eating, teeny bits of food get stuck in between the teeth. This causes the growth of germs like bacteria. These germs act on the food stuck in the gaps between the teeth and give out an acid. This acid dissolves the tooth enamel, causing tooth decay and cavities. Tooth decay causes bad breath, toothache, bleeding gums, and indigestion. A visit to the dentist at least once in a 6 months is must to find out whether your teeth are healthy or not. Now we are going to read about microbes. Very teeny living things that cannot be seen with our naked eyes are called microbes. Teeny means very small living things. As you know, you have heard, I think, about bacteria, about virus. These are kind of microbes. We cannot see them with our naked eyes. Under microscope, we can see them. Microbes can only be seen through an instrument called a microscope. Microscope is an instrument. This is the instrument. Lens are be fitted with it, and under this lens, if we observe an object which is very small, we can see it in a bigger size. Microbes that are harmful and cause disease are called germs. So what is germs? That microbes which cause disease are called germs. Microbes are found almost everywhere, in water, in food we eat, in the soil, inside our body, etc. Microbes grow very rapidly when they get air, warmth and moisture. Microbes are of four kinds. These are bacteria, viruses, protozoa, and fungi. Some microbes are harmful and some microbes are useful also. Bacteria, they are single called microorganism. They cause disease like typhoid and pneumonia. Some bacteria are useful to us. Viruses, they are smaller than bacteria. They cause disease like smallpox, common cold, and polio. Nowadays you are listening about corona disease. This is also a virus disease. Protozoa, they are single called animals. Protozoa, they are single-celled animals. Diseases like malaria and dysentery are caused by protozoa. Fungi, they are plants that grow on decaying matters and cause diseases like ringworms. Some fungi are useful to man. Useful microbes. Some bacteria sends milk into curd. Some fungi called yeast help to bake soft bread. So these are the pictures given in your book. These are the different kinds of microbes. So some questions are given in the exercise. You try to solve it out. If you cannot, you may call your class teacher. Thank you.